everybody! It's very hot these days. So I'm going to make a really cold drink, traditional Korean drink, made with rice cake, small rice cake pieces and honey water. And then we are going to add also shisendra berries, omija. Just I'm going to add this omija to make it really more healthy and beautiful red color and also delicious and good for our health. Omija has 5 flavors: sweet, sour, spicy, salty, and bitter. So that kind of a bitter taste make you kind of feel really energetic. 1/4 cup, let's rinse in cold water. This 2.5 cup jar. Use purified water. 1 cup water. And close the lid. We need to soak this for 24 hours. So I did it yesterday. Here you go. So can you see the difference? I'm going to use this today. Look at that, like this. See? The seeds inside the seeds and all this stuff is come out. And press down. This is very bitter. You can't eat this. Discard. We gotta add honey here. 1 cup honey. You can use any kinds of honey, but I like to use light colored honey. Mix well until all this honey is dissolved. If omija is not available in your area, just use just honey water. You see? Little sticky because lots of honey inside. Let's pour back. Isn't it pretty? Really beautiful. This is around, we made 2 cups. Keep this in the refrigerator. So now we gotta make rice cake. Traditional way is they made rice cake, rice powder after steaming, pounding. So you can check out my recipe and how to make Korean 가래떡 rice cake. But today I'm going to use store-bought rice cake. When you make a rice cake, spicy rice cake in a tteokbokki, kind of thinner than usual, like a thicker one. So buy this at Korean grocery store. And then I bought this too. I'm going to make 2 servings today. And one is kind of using traditional way, bowl. The other way is my kind of mocktail style. Mocktail. So these days I don't drink wine or beer. So sometimes just I make this and kind of looks like a wine or a kind of beautiful color, so nice. So you guys can use 2 versions. We need a rice cake, and this is around just 1/2 cup. So each one needs 1/4 cup. So slice this, so shape round and like small pieces. I bought this really fresh rice cake and I froze this and then just now thaw out to use this. So this is potato starch. So we need starch. That's the kind of our traditional way. The result comes out, you'll be surprised with the beauty and also delicious and smooth texture. So I'm going to use around 1 tablespoon starch. Okay, here. And put this rice cake and mix. Split this each rice cake piece. It already started floating. So we are going to cook around 2 minutes until very soft. So now, still some leftover starch here. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to turn off and rinse this in cold water. Suddenly, like really shiny and looks like a kind of a little glass coated. And the water drained very well. And then one more time, starch. You can use just 2 tablespoons. Coat this nicely. I reheat this water and add this. Around 2 minutes more. Beautiful. We gotta make this really cold, so that's why I use ice. This is the like a traditional way. Just a little bit ice, and then don't forget this. It's a sweet omija. Rice cake, and then water. Pine nuts. Gotta add more ice. And rice cake. I'm making mocktail, sparkling water, that's it. About 1 cup. I made 2 different ways. One way is Korean traditional way, so Tteok-sudan. The other way is modern mocktail. Look at this. Can you see? It's like some kind of a glass, like, look like jewels. Edible jewels. So good. These small rice cake pieces, so good. Texture is very chewy but soft surface. The taste is sweet and sour. When you try this, you can try to find that kind of flavor. What is it, spicy? What is it, salty? What is it, bitter? Taste this. Oh, very good. Oh my God. Both are so good. Today I showed you how to make traditional Korean drink, cold drink, Tteok-sudan, and also variation is just mocktail style. Enjoy my recipe and enjoy the summer. See you next time. Bye.